This is the best tech suit that I've ever worn. This is the Arena Carbon Glide, and after wearing it at various different competitions, I truly believe that it is the ultimate racing suit. Released in 2019, Arena's Carbon Glide was labelled as their flagship tech suit, with an astonishing retail price tag of £310. 4 years later, and it's become one of the most popular tech suits in the swimming world, and you can find it for under £250 elsewhere online. The Carbon Glide is perhaps the most unique tech suit that Arena offers, because it has two materials instead of the normal one. It's the only Arena model with dual layering, two separate fabrics. The Carbon Glide also has a micro carbon cage, which is this tiny grid of small carbon fibre squares. Arena started using carbon fibre back in 2010 because it's a very chlorine resistant and durable material. The carbon fibre squares featured on the Glide suit are much smaller than the ones on any other Arena model. The Carbon Glide comes in many cool colourways. The one I have here is the standard black with a golden Arena logo, but it also comes in an ocean blue, Calypso Bay, and my personal favourite, raspberry red, along with the awesome new 50th anniversary colour. If you take a closer look at the suit, you can see a cool pattern on the outside, but this is actually an internal design. This means that the suit has two different layers, and you can separate them pretty easily. This thin outer layer is called the Hydroglide shell. It's designed to reduce drag and give you a feeling of gliding through the water. It does this very well, and I can feel the difference when I swim. Compared to any other suit that I've tried, I feel much faster in this one. Because of the dual layering, the Carbon Glide is much thicker than any other Arena suit, but because they've introduced new materials, it's one of the lightest suits that I own. The internal red taping system helps support your legs throughout the race, and from my experience with it, I can safely say that it makes a positive difference. It has high quality silicone grippers on the waist and on each leg, and they hug your body tightly to ensure no water gets in. The unboxing experience of the Glide was also nice. The suit came in a cool box which you can use as a travel case, and also an Arena sticker. I was surprised that it didn't include a carry pouch because all the other Arena suits do, but it's not a deal breaker. Now I'm going to put the suit on to tell you all about how it fits and feels. Arena very kindly sent me this suit in a size 24, and I'm a very big fan of how the suit fits. Putting the suit on was surprisingly easy, even the first time I did it, and it only took me a few minutes to get on. Although I did specifically ask Arena for a size 24, I could have definitely gone down a size and still got in the suit. It has a super low waist design, much lower than any other Arena suit that I've tried. This is totally fine, as I don't mind where the suit fits on my waist, as long as it doesn't go up to my belly button. It also sits perfectly where I want it on my leg, comfortably above the knee, but not too high. Speaking of comfort, the Carbon Glide has the perfect balance of flexibility and compression. Compression is one of the most important parts of a good tech suit, and not everyone wants the same level of compression. Personally, I find that I want a little bit, but not too much, and that's just what the Carbon Glide offers, about a medium level of compression. This suit is my favourite suit to wear, no matter what event I'm swimming. If you're an IM swimmer or a mid to long distance freestyler, I would definitely recommend buying a Carbon Glide. That being said, you can wear this for any event you want because it's such a versatile suit. The best part of this suit is how much it supports you in the water. I can actually feel the difference compared to any other suit, and it really helps you lift yourself up and stay more buoyant. And this is the first time that I've actually found a suit that's helped me swim faster, basically. My kick always feels just a little bit snappier when I wear this suit, and my underwaters are stronger too. It's one of the only suits that makes an actual physical difference when you swim, not just a psychological one. You might have been expecting me to say something negative about this suit, but I really have nothing to say except good things. Everything is great about this suit, and I really love it. From the moment I put this suit on, I completely fell in love with the Carbon Glide, and I think it is the ultimate racing suit. It has the perfect balance of flexibility and compression, and it properly supports you in the water. Even though it's very expensive, it is levels above any suit that I've tried before, and I highly recommend it. Thank you all so much for over 10,000 subscribers, and a happy 3rd birthday to this channel. Thank you all for an even better year on YouTube. It's onwards and upwards from here. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed and want to see more of this kind of content. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.